Hi, I'm Dylan, and I'm the engineer and head developer of our prototype called the Quick Pasta Rack. As an engineer, my job was to organize the design. I also coordinated with my group to choose recycled materials and plan how everything would be put together. So the purpose of the Air Quick Pasta Rack is to dry fresh pasta faster and keep it clean from bugs. So everything here is recycled material and can be recycled. We have a plate, a cup, propeller, skewers, toilet paper roll, and a pipe cleaner for extra support. So you hang up the pasta on here, and the fan will blow to keep bugs out and to dry it quick. Back then, you'd have to make your own pasta from dough, and you'd have to roll it flat, cut it into small pieces, and hang it up because you can't just put it straight into the water. So this just helps it dry pasta and keep it clean from bugs. Overall, the Air Quick Pasta Rack is a simple and effective solution that uses just basic engineering ideas and airflow from a propeller to solve a real world problem in the kitchen, which is gotta dry it quick, people don't have much time, and you keep it from the bugs.
Hi, I'm Corbin, and I'm the designer of the Air Quick Pasta Rack. As you can see here, we have the side view, the top view, and a little bit of mixture of the top view and the side view as an angle view, as you can see right here. Here's the pasta rack, and then here is the fan that makes up the name of the Air Quick Pasta Rack. Our first blueprints were just a pasta rack, but due to not being able to use all materials and we needed to, we decided to make a fan out of the propeller with the little fan that we got and a cup to stick in we can create wind and blow on the pasta rack so no bugs or anything or set of things like that, and it could also dry the pasta. But it took us about a couple skits or a couple blueprints to draw out, so we were able to successfully make our invention of the air quick pasta rack. But everything is held together by hot glue as we glue the paper roll as the base of the pasta rack, and we actually use a pipe cleaner as a stabilizer to stabilize it and to keep it balanced. But the plate's the foundation of everything to that we glued it on, and the obviously what I talked about as the fan, and so it could blow on it, so no bugs or anything. But that is our air quick pasta rack, and thanks to our engineer Dylan Molina, as he was able to help me along this project as well.
All right, I'm Corbin. I'm the designer of this, and me and Dylan had to do both the advertisements since um, it's only two of us. So here's my advertisement that I drew though. Here is the pasta rack with the fan in it. It's right here, as you can see. When we first came out with it, we knew that if we first came out with just a regular pasta rack and then realized how we had to make a fan so no bugs or the pasta can dry out quicker. So, but yeah, here's the fan right here. Definitely helps with keeping the bugs away, so it doesn't land on them, or so it's able to dry off quickly. And Dylan, you can show us here some more advertisement photos.
All right, here we have the air quick pasta rack in the kitchen for like a family to use.
You can get closer to show the drawing.
Yeah, there's that one. So back then you wouldn't have like a lot of people were making their own pasta dough. So you need somewhere to make the pasta and hang it up. So this is a good solution for that. Now for the second one, we have the pasta drying rack. It's just a little short slogan. Hang up your freshly made pasta. It's just another one saying that when you're back then, you have to find somewhere to hang it up, and then the fan will also help it cool and dry it off and keep the bug away from it.
Yeah, but here's our pasta rack, and hopefully these advertisements helped, and maybe can draw you into buying an air quick pasta rack. Here's another thing to add on here with our advertisement. As you can see, we have a housewife right here cooking with the air quick pasta rack. So I would highly recommend any housewives who like to make pasta or want to get their pasta done quick and efficiently, since not many, I'd say, males cook back in the industrial time. But yeah, this invention would be great for housewives with any of your needs with pasta.